What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back out in Watts. We need some sneakers, man. Did I say we need sneakers? I need a pair of sneakers for my kiddo. And they got refurbs here. Let's go. Looking for size, I think size 9 refurbished sneakers. Cosmic Unity, $85. This is a 6.5 though, what the hell? Kind of in the size 9 area, $70 for these. iShod Wears going for $58. These are gently worn. LeBron 20s going for $100. That ain't bad. Pegasus 40s down to $70 gently worn. One of y'all showed me that you guys picked up some Bread 4 Reimagined. That was kind of crazy. This is track and field. I was like, what is this for? But yeah, $43, slightly imperfect. Then of course, dude, got Jordans right here. Jordan 13s. Go for retail. At least you get 30 off. Right next to that, dude, got the Pythons right there. John Morant size 8s. Go for retail. At least you get that 30. Air Spans right here. Go for 85. Waffle Debuts. Pretty much free. $38. 30% off. These are under 30 bucks. Yeah, these aren't going to provide that much support. Immortalities. If I found the right size on this, I think this would be good. Especially for the price. Look at the price. It's going to be using it for outdoors. For soccer. But they practice on pavement because he's in an indoor soccer league. So, this would work if it was the right size. Got some GT Jump 2s, $90. That might be the cheapest we've ever seen. These on the count, you got that React on it. Yeah, these are dope. $90 gently worn. Jordan 1 low, size 8 right here, going for $125. Some size 7 LeBron 4s right here. These are the Fruity Pebbles. You got these bad boys. To be able to get 30% off, that's pretty dope. Does have the Fruity Pebbles branding on the inside right there. And these are what, $250? $250 to get, at least you get 30% off. $75 off, wow. See, this is something that my kiddo can use. He has some indoor ones already, but those are some nicer ones. I could get some cheaper ones like this. If I found a refurb though, those are $90. Those aren't the size either. Dude got Blazers right here, going for $75. Slightly imperfect though. Zoom Freak 5s down to $70 to get that extra 30 off on top. What's this right here? This one? Zoom Rival Waffles. I think these are for running. Yeah, these are for running. Those are $35. Hella cheap. That ain't his size either. Oops, didn't even notice. They got plenty of these. Going for $70. Air Max 90 Gore-Tex down to $80. Down to $80. Are you serious? I want to see if I can see any imperfections. Do you guys see anything? I don't see anything on the left side. On the right side, do I see anything? Dude, no, these look clean, dude. These are clean. I do not see anything. Just have the refurbished branding right there. Dude, $90. Are you serious? $90 and you get 30 off? Or $80, 30 off. So these are what, 54 bucks, something like that? Air Max 95s down to 88, slightly imperfect. Okay, they're starting to get slides here. That makes me hella happy. These are the ones that I did not get. Man, be able to get these for 30% off because, yeah, 65 is kind of steep. Don't get these because I want one left for me. If I could find a refurb, that'd be fire. I'm getting cheaper and cheaper. Could be seen as getting broker. $175 for these right here. These are the 37 lows. Metcons right here, $75. That's what's up. Pegasus 40 for wide feet gang right here, $65. And then got Dunks, go for $125. Dang it. Doesn't look like anything small. On the more GT Jump 2s. These are so fire for $90. These look so comfy, dude. These look so freaking comfy. What's his name? Rose Anvil broke one of these apart. He cut one in half. And he showed what's inside, all the technology and stuff like that. It was actually pretty freaking dope. But yeah, $90, slightly imperfect. I don't really. You got to look over the slightly imperfects, but I don't really see anything wrong with these, dude. No, I would totally rock these, man. Holy cow. That's what's up. Do have 30% off the sales rack, and it's pretty much short season, right? It gets cold certain times of the day, but during the day, like, it's been kind of warm. $73. Holy cow. $73 for these shorts. They're pleated and what the hell? Got some more slacks right here for golf. $45. Damn, these are so thin, dude. Like I don't even think my thighs would fit that thing. Holy crap. That's a medium. $40 for those fleece shorts right there. I do appreciate all of y'all watching the channel, supporting the channel, that type of stuff. One of y'all, I don't know, girlfriends, wives, one of y'all, she just represented. She just said, hey, my boyfriend watches. Oh, it's boyfriend. So yeah, she just said, my boyfriend watches your channel all the time. Appreciate that. Are those football pants right there? $40. These are small. And here's a soccer shorts right here. $40 for the Club America pants right there. $30 for this pullover right here. Seen a lot of winter stuff go on sale because, like I said, summer weather starting to come out. California, we just pretty much have winter and summer. We don't really, in my opinion, we don't have that many other seasons right here. Got, oh, this is a thicker one. Ooh, this is a really nice one. Pretty thick. $70, normally $100. It's a large. More tray line. This is probably this. Oh no, I was gonna say it's probably the same one that's been here for a while, but now there's two. There's two. I don't even know the price. Damn, full price, really? All right, we're going back to the bigger sizes on the back wall. I think I'm in the size 11 area. Dude, got some Jumpman Pros or Jumpman Teams right here. Don't know the price. Someone tore it off. Bastards. ADG4s right here. Some golf shoes. $185. Holy cow. 37's going for way too much. Holy cow. Max R's going for 95, size 12. Just not much for big feet gang. This is decent, but even that's a size 10.5. Invincible Run Flying at 3s down to $90. You get 30 off. That's actually hella cheap. That's actually one of the better prices for sure. Superfly Academies. See, something like this would be perfect for my kiddo for outdoor. He's in an indoor soccer league and they practice on concrete. They practice on concrete because kind of matches. It's like closer. Yeah, the concrete's closer than grass to the indoor fields. So that's what I'm looking for. $65. I do have him indoor soccer shoes, but looking for something for practice. Air Max 86. OGs go for $75. That is a size 12 gently worn. That's what's up right here. That's what I'm talking about. $210. Then you get that 30 off. Man, that is fire, dude. Freaking love that. Love that, man. I think these would be perfect. I know this is indoor soccer, but this would be perfect for outdoor too. Especially at that price, $55, $30 off. Size 13 though. I did check those Lunar Gatos to see if they had them online. No luck. Or they had them in store if they had a different size. No luck. $90 for these, size 13. Air Max 90s. $60 for the Metcons right here. Did I almost forget, not notice these? Holy cow, Jordan 7s. But they also got these at Shoe Palace too, remember, for hella cheap. Del Dons right here. $60, size 14. That's a 14.5, so 13 men's. Airspans 85. Wow, that's a lot. All right, we're gonna check out the aisles and then check out the women's section as well. Some Blazer mids right here. And I guess they just got these. I swear they had them and then they sold out, and then they got more. This the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. They do have plenty of sizes, up to size 10.5. And yeah, man, they're close to retail. Holy cow! Got more Air Force highs right here. 2017s, Air Max 270. Got a couple of them. Oh wait, got a third one too. At least the price going down. Got some trainers, the Bo Jackson trainer ones. Got the LeBron Next Gens. Another one of the next gens. You got the Witness. These are the Witness 7s. Myriad of different colorways. I'll go for $100. Dang, dude. Prices are a little bit high right now. Do got the Zoom Freeze. Got the Immortality 2s right here. Some of these were way cheaper. Maybe viable option for outdoor concrete sports. But yeah, I do got the Trey 9s right here. Cosmic Unity 2s. Hybrid Dunk 2017s. And then do got these Jordan 1 Low OGs. We've seen these at Shoe Palace though for like 70. Jordan 1 Low Golf. Jordan 1 Low SE. Got that really nice leather. If you like the color though. Center Courts right here. Jordan 1 Hot OGs. Jordan 2 Lows. I feel like these have been here forever. And these as well. Then we do have some Jordan 7s. Which colorway? Have a feeling they are the infrared whites. Yeah, the white infrareds. Yep, $160 for these. Been seeing these. Some of the retail shops are even cheaper than that. And then do got more and more Jordans non-signatures, the Team Jordans. And then a whole aisle full of them right here. Zoom 92s. Do got Take 4s right here. Take 2s. A couple different colorways. Take 1s. And a couple more. And then got some Air Max 90s with the hint of blue on it. Got some with quite a bit of green. Cool gray, wolf gray. Black and white. Terra Escape colorway right here. Check in the back wall, see if there's anything worth it for my kiddo back here on the women's. Got some 8.5 Jordan 9s right here. Those are 210s. Got Jordan 1 Low women's right here, pretty dope, 115. Someone had one of these right here, size 11. This is a men's, go for $90 right here. Damn, these would work if it was a size. Got the hard courts right here. These are for tennis. But these would so work for, they would work for outdoor soccer, I think. He plays goalie, so a lot of side-to-side movement, similar to tennis. Yeah, $50. That's not his size though. Metcon 9s go for $75. Bigger size 11. Do got these Jordan 1 Low SE. Super soft leather in the front. Canvas in the back. I was like, is the back like kind of dirty? No, it's just that color. Kind of a cream color. More Jordans. These are size 12 right here. These are some mids. Looking for the more common sizes. No size 8s. Kind of random. No size 8s. $170 for the GT Cut 2s right here. No size 8s. It goes from size 9 right there to like 7, 7.5. That's crazy. All right, checking out the women's aisles right here. Blazers right here. Got Air Force One platforms. Got a few different ones. Shadows right here. Got some premium MFers right here with the nice leather. Got some Dunk Highs. Air Max Diaz. Some Air Max 2017s. Air Max Commandos. Why is that so hilarious in my head? Got a huge Air Max unit. Like a double Air Max unit? What the hell? I'm so confused. But yeah, those are the Air Max Commandos for y'all women that like to go commando. Air Max Diaz. Then do got the Laneys right here. These are reverse Laneys, right? Up to size 12. Wow. But price is too high, right? Jordan 3s. They got these up to size 9 women's. Jordan 1 Elevates. They got these Alma Maniers up to size 7 women's. They got these up to size 9 women's right here. Then got all kinds of blazers. More and more blazers right here, all white. Go for a little bit more than I'd be willing to pay. Do got additional clearance racks that I did not check earlier. But a lot of it's the same stuff though. A lot of it's the same stuff. You got the Rams hoodie right here, $100. Tons of t-shirts. Howard. This is a sweatshirt right here going for $50. Normally $80. T-shirts, more of the same. And we saw this earlier. This Tech Fleece, $145. No, well, they got the 30%, but no additional discounts on top of that. And this is pretty thick. This is going for $70. Wow. And then on feet, do got some Jordan 11 72 10s right here. These are the lows. And then Lakers Mitchell and S shorts I got for hella cheap. And then right next door they do have a Ross. And I am on a mission to find sneakers. Got more of these, man. Got ton and ton of these. Large, medium. They got these hella generic stuff right here, but plenty of jerseys. Got Kuzma. Ain't nobody paying no $50 for Kuzma jerseys. But yeah, they do got LeBron at least. Lakers are balling right now. They have a chance at the number 6 seed if they get their stuff together. They got the Kane jerseys. I had a million of these. The Fanatics Blackhawk jersey go for 40. Blink practice jersey down to $18. That's a small. Got a black on white one right here. This is an XL down to $10. See, this is an older one. $10. Project Rock t-shirts. This is an XL. $13, and it even has Dwayne Johnson's signature right there. And then I am on a mission to get some sneakers for my kiddo. Starting with the size 9, do got Trae Youngs. Always got Trae Youngs. These are an 8.5, it looks like. 37. Got some Currys, 7s right here, $40. These are huge. Then of course plenty of Mellows going for 50. Bunch of different colorways as usual. Got Crocs. These are size 12. These are pretty big. $25. And a bunch of different colorways. I've seen a lot of these too, different colorways. $50 for the D-Rose. I think these are the D-Rose 1.5s. Yeah, these are size 11. And different sizes, different colorways. Just got tons of these. Size 10s. These are some Charge. Under Armour is going for 37. And then more of these in the bigger sizes. I'm not the most cautious driver in the world. These are working tracks. Yeah, don't be that guy. Don't be that guy driving and sitting on the tracks. That's just not nice. That's just dumb. That's just dumb as shit.